Ever wondered how carbohydrates work in our body? Well, it's quite an intriguing process. You see, carbohydrates are one of the three main ways our body obtains energy. These macronutrients, composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, are essential components in our diet, including sugars, fibers, and starches. You can find them in a variety of foods like grains, vegetables, fruits, and dairy products. When we consume foods rich in carbohydrates, our digestive system takes over, converting them into glucose, or what we commonly refer to as blood sugar. This sugar then serves as a primary source of energy for our cells, organs, and tissues. And what about the extra sugar? It's cleverly stored in our muscles and liver for future use. Carbohydrates can be classified into two main types, simple and complex. This classification is based on their chemical structure and degree of polymerization. Simple carbohydrates consist of one or two sugar molecules and are digested quickly, leading to a swift rise in blood sugar levels. They are commonly found in milk products, beer, fruits, refined sugars, and candies. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates consist of two or more sugar molecules. These are often referred to as starchy foods. So, how exactly do carbohydrates serve as the body's main source of energy? The process begins with digestion, where carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars, primarily glucose. These sugars are then absorbed into the bloodstream, effectively becoming blood sugar or blood glucose. The glucose in the blood is then used by the body's cells to produce a fuel molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, through a series of complex processes known as cellular respiration. This ATP powers various metabolic tasks within the cells. But what if the body has more glucose than it currently needs? Well, the excess glucose is stored for later use in the form of glycogen, primarily in the liver and muscles. And when there's an abundance of glucose and the glycogen stores are full, the body can convert excess carbohydrates into triglyceride molecules and store them as fat. Glycogen storage is just one of the ways the body ensures it has enough glucose for all of its functions, including muscle preservation. In essence, carbohydrates play a pivotal role in providing, storing, and preserving energy in the body. It's a fascinating cycle that underscores the significance of a balanced diet in maintaining the body's energy levels. So the next time you enjoy a meal, remember the hard-working carbohydrates that keep your body fueled and functioning.